Hello, welcome to QTsforall.com, the website where we offer you wholesale prices on TTF printing. All you gotta do is upload your images and create your gang sheet. First, you will visit our website at QTsforall.com. Then, you will select Build Your Gang Sheet. Once you're in here, we're gonna start by selecting the biggest size. Later, we're going to come back and show you how to resize it so that you don't pay for any unprinted areas. Fill your own gang sheet. You are going to upload images. When uploading your images, make sure that you are using PNG files with a clear background. Once your images have uploaded, you will select the width or the height that you want for each image. So for example, if you want this bigger or you want this smaller, you can also select the quantities you would like. So if you want 3 of these, you can do that. If you want less, you'll do this. Once you are ready, you select apply. Okay, so as you can see, your gang sheet is started to be created on the right hand side, but it is very small, so you're gonna want to zoom in using the magnifying glass on the upper right hand corner. You can also select settings and switch visual aid to this gray background so you can see the outlines of your designs better. You can see that if you put them together like this, you will get a sign that says images are overlapping. So you gotta make sure that you leave some space so that you can cut when you're ready. If you want to use more images, you can select it here. You can also select an image and change the sizing again if you are not satisfied with the size you selected at the beginning. So you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. Okay, so whatever sizes you select on this website, those are the sizes that will print on the printer. So make sure that the sizes you have selected are the ones that you want your designs to actually be. Okay, once you are satisfied with your gang sheet, you will select all the designs. You can either scroll with your mouse or select Ctrl A to highlight all the images. Then it's gonna show you right here on the left side the height of the images you have on your gang sheet. So in this case, the height is 56.68 inches. So you're going to go to drop down menu and select one that will fit that. Okay. So as you can see, you still have some more space in here. So if you wanted to, you could add some more designs. Okay, make sure they're not overlapping. Okay. If you are ready, you like the way that it looks, this is the way that it will print, then you will save and add to cart. You can name your gang sheet, and you will get this checklist that says no overlapping images, no low resolution images, no items overlapping the artboard. There is also this statement that says by checking this box, you agree that you have full rights or own this artwork. You also agree that you understand that the images uploaded are correct and the printer is not responsible for any differences in color or artwork quality. You will check this box. If you are done, then you will select Add to Cart and Exit. If you want to create new design, then you will select this one. So you will be directed to this part of the website where you can see your total, which is $15 in this case, and you will proceed to checkout. For delivery, we have two options. You can either get your Gangsheet shipped out to you, or if you are local, you can pick it up in store. Once you submit your payment, you will get a notification email that your order has been received. We will pull the Gangsheet you created, print it, and notify you when it's ready for pickup or when it has been shipped with a tracking number included. Remember that at QTs for All, we only charge you for the size of the Gangsheet that you create. It does not matter how many designs or colors are in there. You can have 300 tiny Texas flags or 4 big Texas flags. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure that your images are set on the Gangsheet without overlapping and in your desired sizes and quantities. Okay, so that is it for learning how to build your own Gangsheet. Thank you so much for your business, and we look forward to printing your Gangsheets for you.